Hello Earthians, and that is people of Earth. Myself Devendra Singh Patel from India. I want to share my ideas to solve terrorism, wars, famines, etc. As you know, today we are facing many kinds of problems like terrorism, famines, water crisis, and poorness in many countries, particularly African countries, poor health conditions, and many more. And I think you can say I want to share my ideas to all of you watching this video, and particularly I want to send my ideas to politicians who take decisions, policymakers, so that this world could be a better place for living, both for rich as well as poor. And I hope in my lifespan I could see there is no one poor in the world, and I want to do something for this. So the ideas which has come in my mind I want to share with you. Possibly some ideas can work, and you can, or anybody can take them and try to complete or follow them. So let's start with major problems. Major problems are terrorism, Maoism in India, Israel-Palestine war, Indo-Pak relations, means India and Pakistan wars, famines, water crisis, child health, cancer, many other kinds of diseases, energy crisis, and many more. First of all, we will see the reasons of all these problems, and now I will let the focus out of me, and we will focus on these papers, so that through graphics and writings we could understand the theme easily. Okay. These are the reasons of all those problems I had just mentioned. You can see side by side now. These are the problems: terrorism, Maoism, etc. And these are the reasons: lack of proper education, lack of health checkups, unemployment, financially poverty, communalism, etc. And these all problems arise from corruption. How? You can see here. If there is corruption in hospitals and medical industry, it leads to lack of health checkups. If there is corruption in school and colleges, it leads to lack of proper education. Then there can be corruption in army, engineering, police, etc. And these are the government bodies. And if the corruption is in government, then then arises all these problems we had mentioned. So we have to solve these problems. How? I think a single thing can solve the problem, that is camera. CCTV cameras, if they are set in colleges, schools, hospitals, army, etc., then we can solve these problems. Now let's go in some details. So corruption is the main issue. Although developed countries have stopped corruption, checked corruption, but they should help now developing and undeveloped countries to fight this menace. Ultimately, we are all Earthians, living beings of Earth. Now, first of all, I would like to address the problem terrorism. So far, I know terrorists are lured to go heaven after death. They are provided cults, etc. Or they sick or mentals? No. they believe in wrong beliefs of any religion. Why? I think due to lack of knowledge, science, and there are some who are poor and they want money anyhow. Poor needs money, work, and religion needs to be explained. First of all, I would like to express religion. Although I don't believe in any kind of religion, or you can say I don't believe in God of any kind, but I believe in their principles. If you if you read any uh, religious book like Gita, Quran, or Bible, or maybe many which I don't know, they all say to say truth, they all say to have patience, they all say to help poor. All of them are they all say to be non-violent, to think welfare of others before ours, to feed a hungry child or hungry orphanage, to do work for welfare of all living and non-living. So, if you are a science student or scientific thinking person, you should not believe in heaven or hell, so called God or devils, as long as there is no proof. So, should we do sins? There is no hell? No, they are there. Heaven and hell, they are here on the earth. You do good, you get good here. You do bad, you get bad here. You need not to go to hell. Now, we I would like to address poor condition of people. Poor condition is due to corruption in education, government, etc. Now, the solution. If all schools, colleges, government or non-government offices are equipped with CCTV cameras, even the classrooms, and they stream live and recorded also. If CCTV cameras are not available, then audio recording can be placed in classrooms. This will ensure regular classes. Then focus on syllabus and medium of study. It is a crucial issue, medium of study. If the government will go through some cases in which many students go for suicide in after failing in many kinds of exams in India, like 10th exams, 12th exams, they will find the language problem was main problem, which I will address later. And if the CCTV cameras are placed in medical institutes and they are uh, checked regularly, then also medical conditions can be improved. So I have only these solutions, maybe more, many more, and will come in my mind. Then I will share with you later. Hopefully, we will see the world better and better.